my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with a video for y'all, and today I'm going to be doing a opening my packages video. I haven't done one of these in so long. It's really just because I haven't been ordering anything, but lately I've just been on this like massive, I guess, like shopping spree. So I've been buying a lot of different stuff. So I'm gonna open these for y'all on camera. I also have some hauls coming up. I'm super excited about, like Shein haul, Aliexpress hauls, all of that once those packages come in. But right now I'm about to go ahead and open the ones that I have. I have like 7 from like Amazon and some other places. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So first I'm gonna open this one. I already know what it is and I'm excited to see it in person. I saw Sweetie wear it, so I wanted it. Once I saw her have it, I was just like, yeah, I need that, definitely. So I got this hat right here. Hold on. Yeah, so I got this hat right here. It definitely says hoes mad, because hoes be mad, period. So yeah, this is what I got. And I saw Sweetie wear, I think, the red one, but I wanted it in black. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a trucker's hat or whatever. And I'll have their Instagram link below if you want to get one as well. They have different colors like green, blue, red. They have bucket hats, but I just like this like basic black hat, and then it has the rhinestones on it and it says hoes mad, because they really do be mad. Stay mad. Okay, so next package. So in this box, this is 10 pair of lashes, and basically a company hit me up and asked me to do a review on them and leave a review on their Amazon. So these are the lashes. There's different styles. There's 10 of them. So this is like one. I'll just show y'all like 3 random ones. This is another, so beautiful. Like they really came through, because this, I be going through the lashes, you feel me? So like they got all different types. And yeah, so I'm gonna be leaving them a really good review on Amazon. I'll have the link down below so you guys can purchase it as well. This whole box was $10, so $10 for 10 lashes. That's literally $1 a lash. You can't beat that. That's like literally a steal. So I'm gonna have their information linked down below so y'all can go purchase you some lashes. But I think it's called Roxanne, if I'm not mistaken. Roxanne lashes or something like that, eyelashes. But yeah, like look how beautiful. Okay, so next is this package right here, and this is from a company. This company loves to send me clothes for me to take pictures on my Instagram for them. So they always send me like really, really good clothes, and it's Lace and Bow Boutique. I do promo for her company all the time. She always get me right. Everything she has given me, amazing. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Y'all go check out Lace and Bow Boutique on Instagram. I'll have it linked down below. So it comes like this, and it says thank you. Really cute packaging, super cute. I'm excited to see like what I'm gonna be promoting. She usually always gives me like really cute like onesies and stuff. So let's see what she got this time. And she's just so like thoughtful. Like she always gives like thank you notes and all of that. So sweet. And I keep every thank you note that I get. I literally keep them all. Aww. So here she just says, thank you so much for helping me promote my small business. And of course, I'm so happy to help. I'm happy that we have this collaboration, this relationship that we got going on. So let's see what she got me, what she sent me. Oh, is it pink? Is it pink? Oh, wait a minute, she sent me multiple. Hold on a minute. Okay, wait, don't play with her. I got 3 different onesies going on right now. Okay, so first of all, we got the baddie Barbie looking onesie. Yes, okay, period. And she sent me money. Don't play with her, because I'm really all about my money these days. I told y'all how much I be working. But she sent me the money onesie, period. Like money all on me all the time. And then this right here, I think these are some, let me see. It looks like a dress, but it might be like leggings or something. Let me see what this is. Okay, it's like a bodysuit. It's like a bodysuit. I think it's like this. It goes like that or something. And I would have to find like some bottoms to wear with it. But yeah, you can never have too many black bodysuits. This is mad cute. Thank you. Thank you so much for sending me this. So I'm taking this one out of the packaging just so you can see how it looks. So it's long sleeves, and then there's like shorts on the bottom. The material is so soft. It's very breathable. Like they're meant for you to go to sleep in. So yeah, mad cute. Mad cute. I think this one might be too big though. This is a medium. I don't know. I'll have to see when I like try it on. Okay, so the next package is from Amazon. I honestly don't remember what this is. I don't remember. So we gonna find out. What is it? Okay, so this right here is a screen protector. I broke mine, so I just bought a new screen protector, and it's actually one of those privacy screens where it'll be like black if somebody tries to look at my phone. And at my job, I need that because it just be people everywhere, and I don't need you all in my business all the time. So definitely got that privacy screen on deck. This right here is the next package. This is from Sweet Cookie. I will have the Instagram and website down below. This is for your, you know, your girl or whatever. And they have a lot of products for down there, and it's black owned as well. So definitely go tap in to Sweet Cookie. I ordered some stuff because I'm trying to get, I want her to be high maintenance, like very high maintenance. So I ordered her some stuff like for her, you feel me? I've been getting my waxes. I'm going to go get a vajacial soon. And I ordered some stuff, and I'll show y'all what I got. So this right here is the brightening serum. I don't know why y'all can't see that. This right here is the brightening serum. Basically, I bought this and a few other items to like make it brighter down there. You know, when you're shaving and you're a girl, it just gets like dark. And for summertime, that's not cute. That's not the move. So I got some brightening serum to put down like by my bikini area to make it like brighten up a little bit. Along with that, I have the bikini batter. This is basically a mask for your girl down there. It's a mask, and it has like turmeric and some other stuff in there, and you're supposed to put it on before you like take a shower. So next, this is the dark spot remover along with the brightening serum, and you're supposed to use them together to brighten her up. So these are like pads, exfoliation pads, and you're supposed to like rub it down there and then put the serum on there. Okay, and lastly, I don't know why I bought this because I don't even have a boyfriend no more, but I wanted to try it, and I'm gonna give my friend some because she said she wanted to try it as well before she like bought her own. So since there's like multiple, I'm gonna split it with her. But I bought some slippery, that's what it's called, some slippery. That's that water park. Y'all ain't even gotta say too much, that water park, that splish splash, you feel me? So I bought that, and I wanna try it out, but I just feel like when I'm gonna try it out. So this right here is the next package. I think this is from Aliexpress, but I'm not sure, but we about to find out what it is. This is from Aliexpress. So I am gonna do a haul, but I'll just kind of like briefly show you what I got. I mean, you can't really see, but this is a jumpsuit. This is a white jumpsuit. This is the same jumpsuit in pink. I don't want to take it out just because I am gonna do like a full-on haul for Aliexpress. And this right here is one of those stack pants, like two-piece sets. So it's like pants and then a shirt. And this bag right here is like a skirt set. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek just because y'all family. But I am going to do a full-on haul real soon as all the other items come in. But yeah, like this is a skirt. Super cute. Brown is very much in. And then it comes with a shirt. And this set was literally like $10. So yeah, this will be a part of the haul, but giving y'all a little sneak peek, this whole little set. This right here is from Amazon. This is the last package I have for today. I don't remember everything I bought, but we about to find out. So first are these. These are some shorts I bought from work, but you can use these for the summer too. I bought them for work, but I'm gonna be wearing these all up and through the summer. These right here are so trendy. I have all the leggings, but I wanted the shorts. And when I say your butt looks so good in these, it make it look round and plump and like, yes, like your butt looks so good. This part right here just make it, chef's kiss. Like, it's amazing. So I got them in black. I got them in pink just because I love pink, but I really want a blue pair next. So I got these two little shorts. And then the sides right here, you can like pull the strings and make them like scrunch up if you want like, you know, some more of a booty short type of thing. And then I got it in white too. So yeah, I just got these. These were like 3 for like 30 bucks. I feel like that was a really good deal. And like these are just so popular. They're so comfortable and they make your butt look amazing. So I got these for work. I bought this before I bought the sweet cookie stuff, but this is basically like an intimate whitening type of gel or whatever. And basically I just bought it for my bikini area because it's almost summer and it can't be dark down there. So I got this too. This is just like intimate whitening cream. It had really good reviews on Amazon, so I wanted to try it out. But I did go ahead after I bought this buy the sweet cookie stuff. So we'll see. Next, I got this right here. This is just a bag of scrunchies. I think I paid like $8 or $9 for it. And it's literally so many scrunchies. And basically, I just got these for my hairstyles and for work to put like the scrunchie on to match my outfits because we have like colorful outfits or whatever. So this is what it looks like. It comes with so many. I'm just gonna show y'all a few, like a handful. But yeah, they're scrunchies, all colors, super duper cute. Like this is mad cute. Like look at that. I'm gonna be stacked up. That is so cute. So yeah, scrunchies. And they literally come with so many. I don't know how many it is, but I would have to count it out, but I don't know. But it's just so many, like look at that. All colors, any color you can think of, they have it. I thought they had some pattern ones too, but it doesn't look like they do. They're all just like solid and they're all that like velvet material. So yeah, this was a good deal. Like $9 for all these scrunchies. Lastly in this packaging is my butt shaper. I bought like a butt shaper thing from Amazon, and basically like it's cut out because your butt goes there, and then you're supposed to like wear it over your underwear, and then this part is supposed to have you like snatched. So I bought this. I ain't gonna tell y'all why yet because that video coming soon, but I bought this for a reason. And yeah, so I got this thing right here for my butt so it could be snatched sitting right. So this wraps up this video of me opening my packages. I think this is like part 6 or 7. I do have more stuff coming, so there will be more videos, and I have some hauls coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, because you don't know when, then you'll be notified. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.